My name is Gemma. I am an artist, writer and illustrator, and I'm one of the facilitators for Somerset Artworks online art group. I love coming up with a new activity that we can all do together every week. It's not about trying to do something perfect. It is about coming together and just having a space where you can just try something new.
My name is Ember and I'm an artist printmaker, and also I'm deaf. My deafness, that means that I'm a very visual person. So I hoped that the online group would be accessible to me. So I watched the first one and I was really, really happy. I usually watch the live sessions because I can watch the tutor and the art, and I can read the subtitles, so then I can access it. So that's great. And then later I can watch it again, and then I can try all the different art ideas.
The really amazing thing about doing an online art group is the feeling that you can actually connect with people who may not have necessarily had the ability to either physically or monetarily or location-wise come and join in with what you're doing. Whereas when you're doing it online, it really feels like you're connecting with a community of people that is spread all over.
The tutors, they're all really different, and it adds to your work and also your creative development. Recently, the tutor, Gemma, I tried her ideas. The group made a sketchbook, and then we added to it each session. And that is really good because it was about different ideas.
It's been so much fun seeing people's comments whilst they're making as well, or comments afterwards where people have been showing the group the things that they've made. But I think for me, the most exciting thing has been seeing people's confidence to be creative grow through doing online art group.
It's like a bank for art ideas. And so if I'm feeling unhappy or I'm worried about life, I can open that bank and I can take out art. And that really cheers me up. And it makes me feel like I can breathe.
Being creative does have such a positive impact on people's mental health. And I know that because of the messages that people have sent to me, because of the comments and reactions that people have had to doing these sessions. Doing stuff with your hands, having a space in your day to just make something for fun that's not your just daily life and the needs of daily life is so important for people. And I'm really glad that spaces like this exist so that people do have access to that kind of care and to that kind of experience.